Hey, this is Nathan with Texas Sport Fishing Yachts here with the 2026 Tidewater 2700. Tidewater 2700 is a fantastic bay boat, 2 motors, so even on a nice day, if you want to take it offshore, you can. Very versatile. It has a lot of very cool features. It's got a 9.4 beam, so most boats in this class can legitimately fit inside this boat. It comes out very wide, goes very big here, and it gives you a huge casting deck and room for people to sit right here. One of my favorite parts about this boat right here is its true stepped hull. Now, this isn't a cosmetic stepped hull. This is a stepped hull that's designed so you could get a smoother ride, faster planing, better fuel economy. It gives you a lot of very cool features. Gets up on the water, something that's usually reserved for a lot higher end boat, but the Tidewater does it well, and they do it very sharp. It gives you a very efficient ride overall, and very smooth. Even if it's a rough day out there, it still rides flat, smooth, and predictable. On the back here, you can see Tidewater does something that a lot of companies don't. Most companies do like a plastic swim platform here. We do a fiberglass with the swim ladder in there. Gives it very cool setup, and the swim ladder is stainless as well. Pops out, just a very cool setup. Also have 10-foot power poles. The 10-foot power poles gives you a lot of stability when you are fishing out there. And it does come with 600 horsepower. This is max horse on that. Very powerful. You get up really right around the 70-mile-an-hour range. Gives you good performance as far as that goes. And then here's a fiberglass swim step on the other side. On the aft, you got some very comfortable seats. So you have the large love seat in the center and then the 2 outside jump seats. Makes it so you could bring quite a few people on board. This is a yacht certified boat, but obviously if everybody wants to have a seat, you got to have that set up. Now, if you come back over here, we do have the aquarium live well. The aquarium live well is very cool. You can see the status of your bait as you're going. Also in here, you have tackle boxes as well as a drawer for storage. It gives you a lot of capabilities there. Some cup holders, powder coated rod holders back here, rod holders up here. You also have the rear spreader lights as well as some more JL audio speakers. If you see up here, you do have your acrylic radio box, all black stainless steel switches and black stainless steel switches down here. This one does come equipped with the joystick and the twin Garmins. You also have a great Ritchie compass up here and a fully glassed in enclosure, so you go out on a cold day and that'll really help keep it nice and warm. You do have a freshwater washdown right here. Rod holders on the side, and one of the things I really like about Tidewater is they use very nice jewelry or hardware. It's probably the best in the class. You'll find that even the ones that cost quite a bit more are using lesser hardware than we use. Now, our vinyl, on all the color vinyl, is going to be a cool touch vinyl. So if you do sit on it on a very warm day, it's going to make sure that it's going to not burn you. And then you have a nice coffin box here that also comes with a live well up front here. And then you have plenty of room for a head. The head compartment's huge, or you just have a massive storage compartment. This is Nathan with Texas Sport Fishing Yachts. Come on down, check us out, subscribe to the channel, and let us know how we can help. Thanks.